Good morning. Happy 4th of July. So, life is weird. I've been retired for about 3 years now as a professional athlete, and I've been working harder than ever.
Indeed.
Damn it.
There are safety information cards in the seat backs in front of you that illustrate the safety equipment on this aircraft. You may use the card to follow along federal regulations regarding compliance with this information, as well as with all crew member instructions, letter information signs, and posted placards. Your seatbelt should be worn on tight across your hips. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tip into the buckle until it clicks. Tighten up pulling on the loose end of the belt. To open your seatbelt, lift the metal flap on the buckle. For your safety and the safety of those around you.
So yeah, I spent a year selling cars, made some bread. Then we decided to open a cat cafe. The bread is gone. The bread is gone. Gotta earn more bread.
Hello. We're here.
Kind of like a Detroit. The Detroit.
We made it to the Bakeshop. No one's here. We gotta go catch up with the gathering. Ruth is using the restroom, Billy's grabbing his stuff, and then we're gonna join the squad. So, see you guys soon. Making our way downtown.
What's this park called?
Gratiot Park.
Grass Shit Park?
Gratiot. So Gratiot.
Ah, okay.
Not in a war zone, 4th of July in America. Not a war zone, just a holiday.
Lots of fireworks.
Ooh-wee! America!
Yo, what's up, brother? Oh, it's so good to see you. Bastion's living.
Oh, Ethan Turner!
So good to see you.
Hi, we're live. That looks interesting. Thank you. Yeah, we get it.
We play that song.
Here, where's the connect?
My mom's like,
My phone's dead, so I can't be the one.
Yeah.
My phone's alive for that.
what?
Okay, how long have you been tricking, and what is your personal favorite trick to do? Doesn't even have to be your best trick. The one that like makes this is tricking.
I've been tricking since the summer of 2018.
Okay.
I've been twins.
I have to pay for money at that point.
Yeah.
I already paid for his flight on top of it. So it's sugar mama status. Same thought.
I go on.
We need help carrying food at your door. Alright. Come on, back!
Oh, that's not a good one.
Wait!
Yeah, that was very high. I kicked the fuck out of the floor, but. Okay.
Come on, Spats!
Got the fans on my ass in the hood cause they think I'm the one who been bearing the bumps and shit. I'm just focused on music. They say my last
Yeah.
That was really good.
Basically it.
Let's do this the other one.
That is totally it.
I got my legs underneath.
Damn!
Come sit down, we're gonna start. All right. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna introduce our judges. We have a 5-panel today. We have 5 very qualified judges from, starting on the right, we'll go right to left. We have Mr. Sean Boyd. He is an Everyday Heroes veteran, tricked for over 10 years. Great guy, built the tricking program here. Fun fact. Let's go. Huge. And he prefers Scoot over TDR, like a true Midwestern. Then we have Mr. Adam Davenport, founder of Shapes and arguably, allegedly, world's best Webster. We have Mr. Brandon Shireen, owner of Stride Bodywork, 2018 ESPN champion, and can cook minute rice in 58 seconds. We have Brendan Morrison, mastering tricking, mastering marriage, mastering the culture, eventual owner of a cat cafe, still pending, we're working on that. And we have Mr. Ethan Turner, founder of Posthuman, an international sensation. Do you want one more pass? One more pass. One more pass. One more pass. All you had to do was land that. I'm really sorry. Inside thought came out. My bad. All right. 3, 2, 1. Got to give a lot more. What the hell is this? Are you going that way, Brandon? Alright, so who wins? A major upset for the Ohio community. Shavasana on the floor there. Three, 2, 1, hop. Touch going home with $1,000. And it's officially the golden Bakeshop. Beach tomorrow. Please be respectful of the space. Thank you again so much for coming. And shout out all my helpers, all my staff helpers. Thank you so much. And everyone else that made this possible. Have fun.
Crazy, bro. Oh, wasn't as clear. That snap, too. We're so close.
Crazy, give more pounds, science, those up and down, swinging like Jack, get about a pound, throw it in the aisle, this is living that life, get no hoes and up in town.
Wait, did it not? Messed it up, man.
If y'all need a break,
Let somebody else play, man. Come on. You think this is easy? Dude. Like, I'll be hosting the big one.
Hit me up.
Hey.
I got you.
I like that. I like that.
That'd be
I'll
awesome.
put you on a mic, see what you sound like.
There you go.
I would buy it.
Oh, it does smell like shit, actually.
Oh, really? We've done ourselves a what the hell? Look at how's it going?
You are in it. Okay.
Okay, actually, like, that's fire, and keep holding it. Thank you.
You got it.
New profile pic.
New profile.
Alrighty.
That took guts. We need guts.
Please let us know if you need to be reseated. You do not need to disclose the reason. Thank you so much for your attention and welcome on board.
We're good.
Yes. So, we are about 2 to 3 months away from hopefully opening Luna Cat Collective as a cat cafe to do so many amazing things that I can barely even express it with words. But in the meantime, I also have to generate a lot of income to try and support this opening as much as possible. And I have been doing that in the background this entire time, trying to do the best I can, but we need a little bit more help and support. So I have opened meditation practice. I do plan on teaching everything that I can to help. This is mental health support at the end of the day. Meditation is a scientifically based practice. I am not going to be going too into the woo-woo unless you want to go into the woo-woo, because I'm trained in a little bit of the woo-woo, but I'm going to focus on what is scientifically proven to help my clients succeed. And yeah, if you want to be a part of that, please sign up. Thank you for watching this. Thank you, Hannah, for doing the Bakeshop. Thank you to Ruth for grinding your ass off for Luna Cat Collective. I am also grinding my ass off. And yeah, we're gonna get there. We're close. Thank you. If you want links to any of the things that I talked about, I'm gonna leave them in the description. Please follow the people, subscribe to this channel, and again, thank you.